Hi everybody, Brian here, and today I'm going to show you the difference in these brushes. I get a lot of phone calls from a lot of customers that say, hey, why do I want a soft bristled brush versus a medium stiff bristled brush? I'm going to show you why right now. Here we have a soft bristled brush. It's a Beacon. They're all color coded for your HACCP plan. This is the soft bristled brush. You want to use this brush for finer particles or smaller particles. Today we have some flour here, so I'm just going to show you how it works. Voila. And over on this side, we have another Beacon counter brush, but this one with the medium stiff bristles. You'll want to use this brush for heavier particles or larger debris. Today we have these nuts. And voila. Next time you have a mess to clean up, make sure you know which brush to use to make it easier on yourself. Still have questions? Don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-456-5624 and we'll be happy to help you.